Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to sort any cell in ascending order. Means here you will see I have written numbers 1 4 5 3 2 8 6 7. Okay, now I want to arrange it in ascending order, means smallest to largest. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to first select the number. Okay, all the cell which you want to arrange in uh, ascending order. Okay, then what you have to do, here you will see find and select option. Just find and select option, and beside it here you will see sort and filter option. Now click on it, and here you will see sort smallest to largest. Okay, now you have to just click, and here you will see it is arranged in ascending order. Okay, you can also arrange it in descending order by clicking this second one, sort largest to smallest. Okay, so like this you can arrange any number in ascending and descending order in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.